Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a UI UX designer program by Tenacious Techies and if we go down, this is about the course overview about the UI UX and fundamentals of graphic design is there, typography introduction is there, image making is there, workflow is there, design and prototyping is also there. And if you go down, but you will learn like the orientation is there, and design and principle is there, wireframing is also there, UI design principle is also there, typography fundamentals, and user testing portfolio, placement resistance, uh, and no detailing about the tools in terms of Figma, XD, and Adobe Sketch. And these are the career opportunities after completion of course. And if we go down, overall the UI of this page is good. They have used several elements. And if we go down, this is the footer. And if we give a rating according to these parameters, like curriculum is there, so it's a 1 for me. User research fundamental is also there, so it's 1 for me. UI design palette is also there, so it's a 1 for me. Hand-on project is not there, so it's 0 for me. Tools and software training, they have not provided any proper detailing about the tools. They are going to teach you, so it's a 0 for me. Mentorship and feedback is also 0 for me. Portfolio development is there, so it's a 1 for me. Placement and career support, as they didn't mention any placement and career support after completion of course, so it's a 0 for me. Course values versus fees is 0.5 for me because it's not a proper detailing about the tools they are going to teach you in terms of UI UX research fundamentals. And industry relevance update is also 0.5 because it's not a feature oriented course as they have not mentioned AI or implemented AI in their course. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, it's a 5 out of 10 and it's an average course. Like I will not recommend this course because there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters and are the future oriented course in terms of UI UX. I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation, which covers all the parameters given in the list and have a 10 out of 10 scores in terms of parameters and also help you in placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.